Hello, welcome to Kofi's class. Please, if you are new in this class or new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much for always coming along. Please, let's keep on drawing and keep the world moving. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. And in today's lesson, we are going to construct a rectangle. How to construct a rectangle using the compass. Now, we have the size of the rectangle. That is the longest side to be 100 millimeters, which is 10 centimeters. And the shortest side is 50 millimeters, which is 5 centimeters. So we are going to construct a rectangle of size 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters and 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. So now we start by drawing a line like this. With your T-square, you have this line. Then let's measure 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. So now we have this point to be point A. So at point A, with your compass or your divider, measure 100 millimeters. So now we have this point also to be point B. This point to be point B. Good. Now, after getting point B, now we are going to construct a 90 degrees angle. So now at point A, open your compass to any radius. Then you draw an arc with the same radius. At this point, you draw another arc. The same radius at this point, you draw another arc. So we have this point to be point C, point D, and point E. Then at point E, with your compass to any radius, you draw an arc with the same radius. At point D, you draw another arc. Then you draw a straight line from point A through this intersection point here. You draw a straight line from here, and you draw a straight line. Good. So now the angle here is 90 degrees. So now we have AB to be 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. That is one side of the rectangle. So now we need another side, the other side of the, and you know in rectangle two opposite sides are equal. So now we have like AB. So now we are going to draw the smallest side, which is 50 millimeters, which is 5 centimeters. So with your compass or your divider, you measure 50 or 5 centimeters. So now we have our 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters. So at point A, you mark on this line. So we have this point to be point F. We have point F here. That is the smallest side of the the rectangle this side, because we have from AB is 100 millimeters, and now we have AF to be 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. So now we have two sides here. Now after getting this point, measure AB, which is 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. Or 10 centimeters. So we have our 10 centimeters or 100 millimeters. Then at point F, you draw an arc. You draw an arc. Then after drawing this arc, then you measure AF, which is 50 millimeters. Or you measure 50 millimeters, that is the other side. Then after measuring 50 millimeters or 5 centimeter at point B, you draw another arc. Now we have point G. Then you draw a straight line from point F to point G. So now you draw a straight line from F, as I said earlier on, to point G. Then you draw another straight line from point B to point G. Then with your T-square, let's draw this line. This is very faint, so it's now. Good. Now, this is our rectangle of side AB to be 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. Then AF or B G is also 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. Now you first draw your straight line here, and if you don't know how to construct a perpendicular to a given line, you can check on my channel and I have a lesson on that. So at point A, you open your compass to any radius, and for our radius, that is point C here, you draw an arc with the same radius. You draw another arc here, point D, then you draw another arc to get point E. Then at point E, you draw an arc, point D, another arc, then you draw a straight line from A through this intersection point. Then you measure the other side of the rectangle, which is 50 millimeters. Then you at point A, you open your compass, then you mark your 50 millimeters. Then at point F, you open your compass from A to B, or you measure 100 millimeters, as the distance from A to B is 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters. At point F, you draw an arc. Then you measure AB, which is 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters, or you measure 50 millimeters from your room. Then at point B, you draw an arc. Then you draw a straight line from F to this intersection point. And then at point B, you draw another straight line to point G to get your rectangle. So this is how to construct a rectangle using the compass. Guys, thank you very much for coming to this class. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much for always coming along. Please share this video with your mates. Thank you. Let's keep on drawing and keep the world moving. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. This is Kofi J's class. I will see you in my next class. Bye.